I am a Chinese manufacturer of bulk, low-noise bulk packing tape made from biaxially-oriented polypropylene with an acrylic adhesive ideal for sealing cartons in quiet environments like offices or warehouses. It offers strong adhesion, smooth unwinding, and reduced noise during use. Sensor surfaces are clean and dry before application. Specifications include length 20, height 100 meters, weight 45, height 72 millimeters, and thickness 40 times 65 microns, with customization available for various packaging needs.